Facebook. Guys, think about this. If you're running a YouTube automation channel, you have a team creating videos for you for your YouTube channel, right? And these videos are very quality. They're all your videos. They're all about your brand. And you're earning great money from YouTube, right? Great. Now there's another platform that you obviously know about, Facebook.com, that also is just like YouTube in terms of how much they pay you per thousand views and in terms of being monetized. Their algorithm is also somewhat similar in terms of boosting good quality content that gets high average view durations and high click-through rates. It's kind of the similar algorithm. All you have to do is once you upload all these videos to YouTube, you can literally tell either your editor or even yourself, download that same video that you already uploaded and edit it so it fits the Facebook platform or video format, and then from there just upload it to Facebook and earn money from there as well. But just a heads up, when it comes to Facebook, there are certain parameters that you need to get monetized. I think you need 10,000 followers on your page. So it's a Facebook page, not a Facebook account, like a personal account, but rather a Facebook page. You open a Facebook page for your channel, same name, same logo, same whatnot, and you need 10,000 subscribers or followers to your Facebook page. And you need a certain amount of views that are over a minute. Let me actually see Facebook monetization requirements. Holy, I butchered that, but luckily I corrected. So you must pass and remain compliant with Facebook's partner monetization policies, blah, blah, blah. You have to publish from a page, not a profile, with at least 10,000 followers. There's also one more thing. And then you have to have 30,000 1-minute views. So at least 1 minute. So someone needs to watch your video for at least 1 minute. And then there's obviously these other little parameters that are really kind of irrelevant, but like not as important as these two factors right here. So 30,000 1-minute views and 10,000 page followers is what you need to get monetized on YouTube. And of course, you can use Facebook's ad system to promote your videos so you can gain those followers and also get those over 1-minute views. It might cost a little money, but it'll speed up your entire process. It'll expedite the entire monetization process. So once again, guys, like if you already have hundreds of videos uploaded to your YouTube channel, you can literally just save all of those, reformat them, and upload them right back to Facebook. And now that's 2 streams of income with 1 created video. It's a great thing to think about. And eventually, guys, I'm pretty sure Instagram is also going to be monetized in the future. There have been talks about that. So definitely, think about this. You create 1 video, you can have it monetized in 3 minimum ways. That is if Instagram ends up rolling out their monetization for IGTV, which if they don't, I'll be surprised. Because when a platform like YouTube or Facebook, when they incentivize uploads, it makes people want to upload more, and it makes them want to focus on the quality even more. So it's definitely beneficial for the uploader as well as the platform for the videos to be monetized. It's just a win-win for everybody, and win-win-win if you want to include the advertiser. So that is about it. Facebook, do not neglect it because it could be your best friend.